Do you also want to build an attractive and muscular body? And have you been going to the gym for a long time but still haven't been able to build the body you want? Or have you just started going to the gym? So friends, today you have clicked on exactly the right video, which is going to be very important for you. So be sure to watch the video all the way through. At the end, I'll share some important diet tips. So let's not waste any more of your time, friends, and start today's video. Friends, today, I am going to tell you about the best 5 exercises that you should never skip. These will not only make your body stronger, but will also help you avoid injuries. The very first exercise we are going to talk about is squats. Squats are a fundamental movement that, if you do them, not only provide strength to your lower body, but also to your upper body. Along with that, it strengthens all parts of your legs like your quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. It also strengthens your knees and spine to a great extent. If you do this daily, it greatly improves your sitting posture. And you can do squats both at home and in the gym. What is the correct way to do them? Let's understand it a bit, friends. You can perform squats both without weights and with weights. You just need to make sure that your posture is absolutely correct. While sitting down, your knees should not go beyond your toes and your back should be completely straight as you go down. Along with this, you have to do 4 sets in which you can perform 20 to 25 repetitions. Now, if we talk about the second exercise, it's push-ups. Friends, push-ups are an excellent bodyweight exercise for the upper body. This targets many muscles in your body, such as the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles all at once. You should never miss this, and if you are a beginner, you must do push-up exercises, which you should never skip. Friends, if you are not able to do push-ups in the beginning, you can do push-ups by keeping your knees on the ground. Let me tell you that doing push-ups increases your body strength and it also improves your metabolism to a great extent. Friends, make sure to do push-ups daily. You need to do 3 to 4 sets and 15 to 20 repetitions. Now let's move on to our third exercise, plank. Friends, if you do the plank exercise daily for 5 minutes, it makes your core much stronger. This makes your lower back much stronger. Along with that, lower back problems are reduced to a great extent. Friends, by doing planks, your belly will flatten much faster and your abs will also start to become visible. You will start seeing results within a week. Let me tell you one thing, if your core is strong, your body will improve a lot. This way, you won't feel lower back pain while getting up, sitting down, or running. Friends, the fourth exercise is lunges. Friends, doing lunges makes both our legs stronger. This increases the mobility of your knees and makes your muscles quite flexible. While performing this, you have to keep your back completely straight, keep your knees slightly above the ground, and do this exercise while maintaining balance. Friends, in this, you can do either alternate or walking lunges, both of which are very effective for your body. Friends, the fifth and last exercise is pull-ups. Friends, whether you go to the gym or perform this exercise at home, this is going to be the most important exercise for you. Friends, let me tell you one thing, if you do pull-ups daily, not only does it train your back, but it also strengthens your biceps and your grip. Friends, if you are a beginner and you can't do pull-ups, you can also use a resistance band or do inverted pull-ups. Pull-ups are a really great exercise in the long term, which not only improves your posture to a large extent, but also increases your spinal strength. Friends, these were the 5 best exercises that you can easily perform at the gym, at home, or even in the park. And don't skip these exercises at all. You only need to do all these exercises 3 days a week and you can take a day off in between. This was the video on the 5 best exercises that you should never skip. So thank you so much for watching the video.